try. So in love. Hi babes, so you've probably seen me the last clip. I think it was me getting ready. I went to the gym this morning because they reopened. Yoo-hoo! Today I will be going in the old Montreal with my friend, just chilling, taking pictures, maybe eating out. I haven't done this in so long. I think the last time I did it, it was with her in the summer, so that's says a lot. Right now I'm just gonna finish my little study session and I'll get back to you when I'm going out. So guys, this is my little outfit. It's really simple but yet cute. Can you see it? Yeah, I put a headband on my head, and yeah, so this is what I'll be wearing. This is from Simon's. This is thrifted. This top is from Moda, and these pants are from Aritzia. This is the fit for today. So let's go to my friend's house. Hi! So I'm back with Naikafc.
Hello!
Hello, vlog.
Hello.
How are you? So we're at the here. She's shy. She's camera shy. Okay.
I'm a little camera shy.
So we're gonna take pictures. We don't know where yet, but it's kind of a beautiful day, even though it's like not sunny at all.
It's a little gloomy though.
Yeah, but it's fine. Let's just hope the pictures turn out great, because I haven't been on Instagram for the past like 4 months.
4 months?
Okay, no, maybe
I feel
this
like you always
November.
post,
I don't go.
Post.
Oh, okay. Well, that's great.
Yeah. Vlog now.
Okay, trying to get the best pictures ever,
but
it's I'm not
so
a great
cold.
poser, and it's cold, kind of.
You guys want some gum? Awesome gum.
Take one, only one.
No! Go.
Oh.
One gum.
show you a sneak peek of the pictures.
I can't see so.
What do you mean, ooh? Nice. Literal, oh no. Okay, this one.
Ooh, guys, not too much.
Not too much. No.
Give it all to the people.
You gotta check my IG to see. Okay. We're
Bye.
good. We're good. We're good. Out to eat at Semi and Soup Dumpling. It looks super good. First impression. Well, it's super hot, but first impression. It's okay. She got shrimp, wonton soup. Wow. And look at those dumplings. Oh my gosh. Are you excited?
I'm excited. I'm scared.
You're scared. It's gonna taste amazing. It's gonna taste amazing. Look at this tea. It can't taste bad. It's less